Hello everyone, Michael here again. Today we're going to make a game called Scavenger Hunt. So let's go ahead and check it out. Right. So play it. Use our character. Go with him. And now we need to find all the eggs. Oh, there's one egg. As you can see, it pops up right here. See if we can find more eggs. Oh, there's another one. Right? Oh, there's another one. There's another. That's two more to go. Let's see. Look over by the trees. If there's any in here. Oh, yeah, we got that one. Now we have one more. There it is. All right. So every time you play, the eggs are in a different spot. So let's try with a different character and see. Where a couple of them are this time. As you can see, none of them are in the same spot. Well, the one where the rock was is still here, but we'll go by the tree. It is not here anymore. And now it's up here instead. Nothing by the dinosaurs again. Now there by these dinosaurs. Oh, got one by these trees instead of the ones down below. So that changed spots. Last time it was down here on this part. So sometimes it's the same spot, sometimes it's a different spot. And that one changed spots. And the one right here changed over here. Last time it was somewhere else. All right. So let's see how to make the game. Now, for this one, there's no GitHub because all of the assets are in Gdevelop. So I didn't need to make any assets. And you go into here, you can find every single asset. So for the characters, I went into the character asset. For the background, I went into this asset. And for the props, I went into this one. And I just typed in trees, rocks, flowers, uh, grass, grass in this one, and dirt, and also fence. And then in this one, I just did random characters. So the only one you're gonna have to make is this. So the picking slot. And that's really easy. It's just a square with nothing in it. So I can open this real quick. All I did was draw a square and that's it. And made it 210 by 220. So you can make your square real quick and find all your assets. And then, well, pause the video first, find your assets and your square, make your square, and then we'll start doing it. So once you're ready, unpause the video and we are going to get started. All right, so first, need to make a global variable. Call it players. Need about 4 of them. Number and 3, 2, and I'm not even gonna mess with this because it's one variable and that's it. So we'll apply. And now we will create at the beginning of the scene. Notes. So players set it to 0. Objects. X position of player 1. All right, so let's see how that looks. All right, that looks good. Save that. Okay. Wait. Okay, player. All right, so cursor button is clicked, left. Trigger one swell true. We need to change the global variable of players and set it to 0. To position. And set it to that. All right, so now we just need to copy this. That one's fine. This is the one that needs to be changed. Set 1, set 2, set 3. All right. So now let's check it out. Cool stuff. All right, so when play is clicked, we switch it to the play screen. And like I said, I found all the assets in Gdevelop, so just create any kind of layout that you want to create. It could be small like this, or it could be super big. Uh, the one I created before was on the big side. This one I just did it very small, so because I wanted to do it very quick. And you need a couple of different spawn points. So I only did 3 eggs this time instead of 6. And this this are the spawn point for red. This and this are the spawn point for the black, and this and this are the spawn point for green. So all you have to do is set this, well, set the spawn points at a lower level of Z order from the trees and from, well, you could hide this a little bit more. But basically put them at a lower Z level than everything else, except for the dirt and the grass. Keep them at a higher Z level than that. So now we need to go into our objects and set the collision masks. So let's do that now. So edit collision mask. And we'll set that to there. There we go. So that's good for the blue. I'll do it for red. Right. Rock. And then the trees. And you can pause this if you want to, that way you can get it at the right points. If you want to copy my pushing point. Or if you want to try and do your own pushing point. That's fine too. So I think that's it for collisions. Yeah, that's it for collision. Okay. So now we need to set up all of our stuff. We'll go into here. And you want to hide these three eggs. So egg 2, egg 1, and egg 3. And we have different eggs. So we have the inventory eggs, which is these are the inventory eggs, and then we have the spawn eggs. So I named my spawn eggs egg 01 and my inventory egg 1. So I know the difference. So we're going to want to hide these, and these are fine, but we'll eventually make these invisible and put them at a different Z order. Because right now the trees are in Z order 2. We need to put the trees at least Z order 7 or 8. Well, let's do that real quick. All right. So for right now, we'll keep these on the upside, but in just a minute, crap, we have to change the flowers too. So we'll put these at 6. Alright. I think that's good. We'll put that one right there, just to make it easier. Alright. Actually, that needs to go 7 or 6. Something higher than 5, because your person is going to be at least 5. You want the person to go behind all of these things, not in front. Does have he's in front, or she is in front, then basically it's going to look like it's going over everything. Can't remember if there's something behind this or not. Nope, it's good. All right. So now let's go into the events and hide a 1. A 2. A 3. And also players spawn. The spawner needs to hide also. That way, when we play it, they will all be hidden. Right, so your player is right here, and these are hidden. So now we need to put on spawner. Where did I put the spawner? There it is. Okay. So we need to add the behavior. Move camera. There we go. Right. And we also need to add top-down movement. Right. Now it should go directly to the player. Yep, goes directly to the player. And if we move it up, it's up. If we down, it goes down. And if you want, you can mark this out for now. So we can delete that for now, just so we can see the player. And they're rotating, so we need to turn off rotation. And we can also turn off allowed diagonals. All right. So now we need to go back in here and we need to create our global variable for creating a player. So we'll attach that to at beginning and do our global variable number of player equal to 0. So if global variable is equal to 0, then we will create this at the spot. Go. And then we'll do is the order of player. Set value to 4. All right. So now we can copy that 4 times. 3, 2, and 1. I cannot remember. Let's see. So that is correct. And then we have player 2 and player 3. All right. Now we got male player. And the other male player. All right, so that is good to go. So let's go in here. Her. That's good. So we need to hide it real quick. I forgot about that. So let's do it with one that doesn't look like the spot. There we go. Awesome. Right again. Guy. And we are good to go. Awesome. Okay. Go in here and create. Now, no, let's see. I do not want to create. Oh, ha, whoops. There we go. So I guess we'll do this one. No, it was this one. Close that. And now we need to do trigger once. Because we don't want to do it multiple times. We want it at a seed order. So seed access. The order of 4. Now we need to create that 3 times. 2, 1.3. All right. So now we are going to do a 1 and a go. That's good to go. We got next. All right, so we'll go with player movements next. Player move. And we can go ahead and close that one. And we'll do hurt, not moving. I forgot to set it. So 1 second. So group, portfolios. Edit group. Fine. And then I think walk down, walk left, walk right, walk up. I think they are all the same. If I remember correctly, walk down, walk left, walk right, walk up. Yeah. All right, so we're good. Now, what we need to create. Save in browser. Add animation. And it's fine. Idle. Great image. Eight and eight. All right, so you'll need to create an idol for each. Right. Okay. And last one. I always spelling things wrong. Okay, so now animation by name. Ah, new. I forgot to create it from the bottom. Okay, actually, should be players. Let's see. Ah, there we go. Players. Good to go. There's a let's see. A number. I think it's 4. If I can remember correctly. Press down. Up, left, and right. Now we just have to figure out which one is which. So this is number 4. I think right is 3. Left was 2. Up was maybe 1. And this one was 0. But I'm not sure exactly. So let's go into here. So 0 is walk down, 0 down, 1 left. You're down. Ah, I had that one. Okay. Nope. 1 left. So this up is either 2 or 3. Again. Right is 2. Up is 3. All right. Right, 2, up, 3. 2, up, 3. Good to go. All right. So let's check this out. Granny. Perfect. All right. Good stuff. But now we need to do that should be going with why that's standing still. Why is that standing still? Let's see. Ah, that's why. Ooh, let's top layer. Then a little bit up, up, up. All right. So put this on the top layer. Basically, you create a new layer, add a new layer, and then name it whatever you want to. I just named it top layer. And then put them on the top layer. Now, let's save real quick. It should move with the character. Because the character, it'll basically be on the top layer it's created. Yep. All right. So now it moves with the camera. Now we need to do collision because, well, because of this. We can basically go under every little thing. And it looks like it's a cloud. So we need to fix that. All right. So player movement is out of the way. Now we're going to do collision. So bit group. And let's see. I think we'll put these all in a group. Just to make it so it's not repetitive code. So let's see. For this edit group. All right, so we need this and this, this, that, that, and that. And I think that's it. Yes, that's it. Okay. Now we'll go here and do spawner is in collision. Collision. Uh-huh. And then spawner separate objects. Collision. All right. Now I will go with him. Now we should be able to. Oh, what was going on here? I think it's because we're hiding everything. So let's do players instead. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's because we hid the spawner. So I'll do this instead. Gosh, did not want to do that. You know what? Doesn't matter because it's automatically going to be at 0, so it's fine. It'll start with her. All right, so yep, that worked. But guess what? We're going out of bounds, so we need to create a collision out of bounds. Now we're gliding into everything, and we can't go through. So it looks like it's a real flower, and a real tree, and a rock. All right, awesome. Now, that's one thing I forgot to make. That's okay. So, out of bound. Why not? Out of bound or out of scene. That makes more sense. Out of scene. Okay. So now another collision thing. So players in collision with out of scene. And we can copy this and paste this and just do out of scene. There we go. So now we can't move out of scene. No matter what. All right, go. Let's see. Now we can make that visible. Go. Fly. And we can make that a little bit bigger so it not seen. Go. That looks like you're still on the scene. All right, so now we need uh, let's if no. We need to create the eggs. So now we will do, or wait, did we already create the eggs or no? Egg spawners. Oh yeah, we did. But now we need to do a collision with the eggs. So collision with eggs. And actually, now we'll put it in a new collision. Collision with egg. Put that inside there. If players is in collision with egg one, or no, crap. With egg one, now it's egg 0, 1. So 0, 1, there we go. All right, so first thing we'll do is delete that object. And then we will show this one. All right. So we'll do that for all the eggs. Go. All right. So now when we're in collision with it, Now, yeah, change the Z axis of that one. But anyways, no, it's not that one. So probably this one. Yep. So now when we collide with it, it deletes it. There's that one, and there's that one. Awesome. So now we can make those invisible, and we'll do an if event. So if a one is visible, and two and three, then change scene. All right. So game over. So now, once all the eggs are captured, it will switch the screen. Oh, not right there. That one. Yay! Awesome. All right, so that's about it. Now you just need to change the Z order of the eggs to put them behind the objects. And I'll let you work on that and figure that out. And then make the spawners invisible. And the game is done. So that's how you make Scavenger Hunt with different random points. All right. I will see you all in the next game. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe if you want to see more. And if you're going to buy something on Amazon anyways, hit the link down below and buy something through my link to help me out. See you all later. Bye-bye.